In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook Marketplace name. Since Marketplace always shows your Facebook profile name, we will update that profile name so the new one appears on all your Marketplace listings. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once it opens, you should see your usual Facebook feed with posts from friends, pages, and groups. If the app asks you to log in, make sure you sign in to the account that you actually use for Marketplace, because the name change will only affect that logged-in profile. Now tap the menu button. It is the three horizontal lines, usually in the bottom right corner on iPhone or top right on many Android phones. When you tap it, the screen switches to a menu with options like your profile, friends, groups, and Marketplace. This tells you that you are in the main navigation area where Facebook keeps all the app settings. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. The menu will expand to show more options, including settings, your activity log, and other privacy tools. Many beginners miss this small expansion, so if you do not see settings yet, tap Settings and Privacy again until the extra options appear. Next, tap Settings. The app opens a new screen titled Settings with different sections such as Account, Preferences, and Audience and Visibility. This is where Facebook lets you control how your account looks and behaves. You can scroll here later to explore more, but we will stay focused on your name. After that, tap Account Center. Account Center usually appears near the top and may mention Managing Connected Experiences for Facebook and Instagram. When you open it, you move into a separate area with its own menu at the bottom or top. This is where Facebook now keeps things like profile details and login information across apps. With that ready, tap Profiles. The profile screen shows the Facebook and possibly Instagram profiles linked to this account. Each one appears with a small profile picture and the current display name. You are about to pick the profile whose name you want to change on Marketplace. Now select your Facebook profile. When you tap it, a new screen opens with options related to that specific profile. You should see your current name at the top, so you can double-check you are editing the right account before making any changes. Next up, tap Name. The name screen shows separate boxes for first name and last name, and sometimes an optional middle name or other name. This is the name that will appear on your profile, in comments, and on Facebook Marketplace. Enter your new name, replace the old text with the exact spelling you want Facebook and Marketplace to display. Take a moment to check for typos, because Facebook limits how often you can change your name within a certain period, and a small mistake could remain visible on every listing. Once you have typed it, tap Review Change. Facebook will show a preview of how your new name will look on your profile. On this screen, you might see a couple of layout options depending on your region, such as which part comes first. This preview lets you confirm the name looks right before it goes live on Marketplace. Now enter your password. Type the password for this Facebook account into the box that appears. This step confirms that it is really you changing the name, which protects your account if someone else gets access to your phone. Finally, tap Save Changes. A brief loading screen may appear, then you are taken back, and your new name now shows on your profile. That same updated name will also appear on your Facebook Marketplace listings, usually within a short time. You have now successfully changed the name that appears on Facebook Marketplace by updating your Facebook profile name. If this helped you get the right name showing on your Marketplace listings, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Facebook fixes.